Hi guys, welcome back to Xero with me. I'm Trevonna Parker and I thank you for coming on this journey to learn Xero with me. I am a novice in Xero and you are actually going in real live time walking through the me going through the certification process. I'm actually scheduled to take the certification training tomorrow, but I wanted to go through this and I want to continue doing this just to make sure that I learn things hands-on and also that I work through things with you. So eventually I would love to start adding more videos about, Xero versus XYZ or what's the best way to do Xero or onboarding with Xero or things like that. But right now we're just going through the beginning stages. So please go with me. I'll go with you on your journey as we Xero together, learning how to become experts in the land of Xero. So let's go back into where we were. I'm going to share my screen, kind of zoom out here. Something strange happened to me in Xero. It wouldn't read my progress. It wouldn't read this. It actually made me retake the exam or part of it, which is interesting. I've already done the assessment. You guys saw the video which was released, and so I don't know. So we're gonna get right back into it, and we'll see what happens. So we are entering the advanced settings. So introduction. Here's a quick overview of what you'll be able to do by the end of the lesson. You'll learn the following. 1. Financial settings. Change the financial year end and tax defaults for transactions. And then 2, lock dates. Use lock dates to stop changes being made to transactions for a past period. We're in my headset over here. I'm hoping you guys can hear me well. If not, I think by the next video, I'm going to actually change to my regular microphone. Oh, we're going to learn some more things. So tax rates. Customize the tax rates for the organization. And 4, tracking. Add tracking categories to report on different parts of the organization. So let me close this back up. There we go. Number 1, financial settings. And as you guys know, I break this all down. So this will be 4 videos for learning the different settings, and then also a final video with the assessment and the hands-on. So change the financial year end and tax defaults for transactions. So we're going to change the organization's year end if it's different to the default setup date. So let's learn more. Step 1 of 4, go to the accounting, advanced, and select financial state settings. You need the advisor or standard user role to access this. So if we were in our demo company, and I don't have my demo company, I don't have so many tabs open. I don't know what happened. I just had the weirdest experience. I had to shut everything down because I had somehow had over 1,400, about 1,500 tabs were open in my browser, and I don't know what happened, how that happened. Let's get back to it. So go to Accounting, Advanced, and select Financial Settings. You need the advisor or standard user role to access this. Okay, so let's go ahead into our demo account. So we're going to go to Accounting, Advanced, Financial Settings. Accounting, Advanced, Financial Settings. We're going to, so beside the financial year end date, click Change. Do that, and then we are going to select a new date and click Done. This change impacts balances, reports, and fixed assets, so check the year is correct as soon as possible. Now we have a change there. Click Save to confirm. They changed theirs to the end of the first one. And we didn't. Hopefully there's nothing next. Here we go. Okay, set sales tax information. So we're going to enter the tax basis and period. So Xero calculates the correct tax on transactions and creates accurate sales tax reports. So let's see, tax basis. The tax basis affects the way Xero includes transactions in the sales tax report. Place your cursor over the following options to see what's involved. So we have cash basis, basis the report on the date you made or received payments, accrual basis, basis the report on the transaction date, and then none. Xero defaults to no tax in creating transactions. So that's Xero's default, and we find that here. So right here in the financial settings, and that's where we will find it. Non-cash basis. Tax ID. Enter tax ID number provided by the local tax authority. You must enter a tax ID display name to show the tax ID number on sales tax reports and invoices in Xero. So here we are. Tax ID number, tax display. Tax period. Select the default period to capture transactions for the for the sales tax report. All right. Tax defaults. So select the tax defaults for sales and purchases. This saves you time and ensures consistency when entering transactions. You can change the defaults on individual transactions. So we're going to click the icons below to learn more. Based on last sale or purchase. Xero applies the tax default last used on a sales or purchase transaction. That makes sense, especially if you're doing business in a market consistently. Tax inclusive. Xero includes tax in the unit price. The transaction subtotal and total will be the same. Tax exclusive. Xero excludes tax from the unit price and adds it to the subtotal. The transaction subtotal and total will be different. And then there is no tax. So Xero excludes tax from each transaction. So those are our options. And with that, we have just learned some advanced settings and more specifically some financial settings. So thank you for that. This is the end of this video. Thank you for coming to Xero with me, and I look forward to going through the next part of the training with you guys. Bye now.